Hello, I'm Tom Flanagan, and we're here at Texas Instruments Voice Development Labs in Germantown, Maryland. And I'm with Chung, who is the winner of our Vision for Voice contest that we've been running here this spring. John's a student at the University of Maryland, a rising junior in mechanical engineering, and he had a very innovative solution for us, or vision for us, that involved doing language translation, which is something we've been trying to look at for our own vision for voice for quite some time. Jonathan's innovation was actually, rather than doing language in the audible sphere, actually displaying it on a set of glasses. And we thought that was very innovative because it gives us a really non-invasive, non-intrusive way for somebody who's using a language translation device to continue interacting in the real world. So John, can you tell me what was the inspiration behind this idea for you?
Mainly seeing the troops in Iraq and in Afghanistan and the different organizations such as the Red Cross and their responsibilities overseas, there would be a definite language barrier if those natives of those different countries wouldn't be able to communicate with those trying to help them. And that was the main concern that these glasses would address.
That's interesting. And the idea behind using glasses, as I said a minute ago, I think that's really innovative because it's non-invasive. People are used to seeing that. Have you thought anything about what the implementation details are like to actually make this happen?
Well, there definitely be a lot of processing from audio to visual, as well as the display on the glasses that would allow the user to see the actual translation. And with that respect, it would require a lot of real-time translation as well as display from the audio aspect to the visual aspect.
And you're a mechanical engineer, that's your training. Yes. Can you talk a little bit about what the glasses themselves would be like? What are the mechanical challenges that you think need to be overcome?
Mainly the most concern would be with the display of the actual language, of the characters of the user's language onto the glasses. That would probably pose the most trouble because of the technology that it involves.
Well, I think that, as I think about what that challenge is, a lot of it is in the signal processing side, where we need to be able to actually do the translation in real time and get the information to you so you can display it on the glasses themselves. Yes. I think we can handle that. At least that's what we're working towards. Well, John, thanks for participating in the Vision for Voice contest. We really look forward to having your device get implemented and used in the real world. If it helps the troops, that's great. If it becomes a business application, that's great. And again, as a mechanical engineer, I know you're going to be excited to have a device with 2 million mirrors in it, that great DLP TV and the surround sound system. So enjoy it with your friends, watching Terps basketball or whatever.
Thank you very much.